In this video, I want to talk about how you can join the Leap competition inside of TradingView. Now, there are a few steps that you want to make sure that you do, so let me just quickly go through them. So the first one is you need to have a paid TradingView account. You cannot do this if you're on the free plan, so make sure that you have an active subscription. After that, what you want to do is just log into your account on TradingView and head over to the Leap page, which is tradingview.com/the-leap/. Now, once you're on this page, you should see here that it will have a countdown, and this might be different from you because they host these a few different times. So yours will probably not look like this, but in here, then what you want to do is you want to sign up for the competition inside of the page. Now, you want to click on the button and just follow the instructions, and then you have signed up. And then what you want to do is just wait for the competition to begin. So once this has begun, you are in the competition, and then you're ready to start trading. Now, that is basically how that works, guys. Now, I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.